So now guys, this is a little lady. She's not so happy. So yeah. Okay. She wants to be in the video. Okay, so now we are ready to go outside home finally, and she's so happy because she's going. Yeah, she's so happy because she's going out now. So now I'm gonna get the kids into the car. And in Sweden, you know what? You cannot put the kids on your lap or without a child seat. So we have to fix them in a child seat. I show you in a while. So before you go out with the kids, actually, you have to check. There's a checklist of certain things. You must have an extra clothes for the kids. You also must have extra pampers and water and something to eat. And now I'm looking for what we have in this bag, because this time I forgot. So I got the pampers, I got the cleaning, and extra legging. That will be enough. Very quickly. That now Ushna is ready in her seat with this belts, and Mavu is also ready in her seat. Say hey. No, she don't want to say hey. So yeah, so it's a tons of things you need to think about when you go out with kids. So it takes some planning. Yeah, you must plan before you go out with the kids. You cannot just take your kids and go out. Okay, today we are going to the city to buy a special meat which is used for a Pakistani dish called pasande. I actually don't like it so much, but we have this Pakistan Independence Day celebration in Gothenburg, where all the Pakistani families are joining and having a little function. So everyone brings some food from the home, and we got pasande to make. So now I'm going to buy some meat. Yeah, kids are on the back enjoying, and we are going on another day of my parental leave. So I will be posting more and more small videos about it, so to see that how does it feel. I think I'm enjoying it. Okay, now we came to one of the electronic shop here. I'm gonna show you a very quick tour inside, and then I'm gonna tell you a very good story about this shop. But we are here to look for some products, since I have never grown up my beard before, and I need to trim it in some way. Run here, okay? Put your jacket up. Okay, now Ushna is going to be untied. Ushna, come out. Like that, come. And we're gonna hold Ushna like this. Okay, now she's with us. So here in Sweden, every customer has a right to return the product within 40 days, within 14 days, 1-4. But this shop, you can buy the product from them, and if you regret your decision, or if you don't like that product, you can bring that product back within 30 days. So there it says, prova produkterna hemma i 30 dagar. So it like, try the products at home in 30 days. And also they have a 30 dagar price guarantee. This is the 30 days price guarantee. It means that, Babu, come beta, just give me a second. If you buy something today for 100 crown, and within 30 days, if that product price goes down to 70, you can come back to them and get your 30 back. That's why I like this shop. But in Sweden, all the customers' rights are very strong, so you get a lot of safety as a customer, and as a business owner, it's also a lot of responsibility on you. So now we are entering into the shop. So this is very normal style of shops here. Of course, different sections. Okay, I have selected this one. This is like yeah, I'm gonna give it a try, and if it will not be okay, I will return it. I don't know. But I think this is good. I have just quickly checked the reviews and some other things, and kids are running around. So Ushna is after also. Ushna, we go now. Come Ushna. Ushna, come now. Ushna. No, we don't want to buy this one. Put it back. No, we don't want it. No, put it back. Jack, come, Mabu. No. We go now, Mabu. Oh. Ushna. Okay. We go now. Yeah. So this is what I was talking about. They don't want to go home when you have when they are in the shops. These are some grills. I think this is from the Weber. Yeah, 10 years guarantee. Okay, we are done here. Let's go. Should we go? Okay. So now Mabu is helping a little. Mabu, what are you doing? Go there. Stand in a queue, Mabu. Come. So you can only return things in Sweden if you have a receipt. So receipt is very important. And here in this shop, you can get your receipt by email also. Not now, but we will take from some other shop. Yeah, she wants an ice cream. You want an ice cream? Okay. Yeah, she also wants an ice cream. Okay, now we have done some shopping and I don't even have noticed that there is no sun. My sunglasses still off. The kids can get boring in one place so easily, even if this was a big electronic shop. She don't like it in the end. So now we're gonna go in. So let's see how she reacts on that. No, wait. Okay, let me. No, Ushna. Put this stuff here and close it. Then now see what she's doing. Okay, now you're gonna sit in the car. So see, I'm vlogging and putting a child in a car at the same time. That's the kind of skill you need. So now I told you, Mabu, you have to hide it from her. So you can hide it now. Ushna, idhar dekho. Ushna, wo dekho. Hide it, Mabu. Hide it. Yes. Okay, now we are going. So put your belt on. So in Sweden, you cannot actually buy the halal meat everywhere. So there are different shops normally opened by Arabic or Turkish people, and there you can go and buy the halal meat. So now we are going to that Arabic shop, and I will show you a very quick tour. Normally they don't have any Pakistani spices there, but there are some shops in Gothenburg who sells Pakistani spices from Shan Masala and also from other companies like Laziza, I don't know, Shan, Laziza, and yeah, whatever. So then you buy meat here. Chicken, you cannot find chicken without a skin, so you have chicken with the skin, and normally in Pakistan we eat chicken without a skin, which means you have to clean that at home yourself, which is the big thing for females here in who comes to Sweden from Pakistan, because they normally used to get chicken ready to cook in Pakistan. I have so funny stories about it, but forget it. But the thing is, if you are expecting that you will find a chicken or a meat which you don't have to process before you cook, you will not find it here that easy. In UK or some other countries where the community is very big, it's everything done. It's actually like Pakistan, but here in Sweden it's not like that. So you have to clean it or process it at least a little bit before you start cooking it. But the prices are very good. You can buy halal lamb for 79 to 99 per kilo, based on what part of the lamb is that. And you can buy keema, which is a not fish, what is the English word, pulled meat, or yeah, in for 60 crown per kilo. So yeah. So here we are entering to this place, which is quite a big another shopping area. And then they have opened a shop called Orienta. So all the Oriental shops here in Sweden are normally like this. You can find halal meat there, and also you can find spices from different countries. So let's see what is inside. So this is the shop Orienta. You find mostly Arabic stuff here. Mavu, can you take one basket for us? Take the big one. Okay, I can take it out. Then you can. What is wrong with you?
Funny.
Yeah, okay, we buy it. Okay, take it. You will pull it, okay? I have Ushna with me. So this shop is like called Orienta. They have so many spices from other countries and also products from other countries. So we are here to buy halal meat because they sell halal meat. And this is how it looks like. The chicken is like this. So you buy this chicken for 39 crown per kilo, but you have to defrost it. If you like, if you want to have that kind of Pakistani style, then they have a lot of halal hot dogs, sausages, and this is all frozen halal meat. We don't buy it so much because we don't buy so much processed food at home. We try to buy everything pure or might be not processed, but then we do it process ourselves. So this is like, you can buy almost everything here. They have this chicken, lamb, and this is the piece we're gonna buy and for Pasandes. This is where you buy all the vegetables. So here you have taboos, and all the vegetables are like this. So, and some bananas. Okay, Ushna. Mavo, come. You need to find some. And here is a lot of rice coming from Pakistan. See, product produced in Pakistan. These are also rice from Pakistan. The best rice from Pakistan. Yo. So we bought some stuff, and she is like this. She don't want to leave me. She's so scared of other people. Halal, yes, everything is halal here.
Ice cream and jelly.
Yeah, there's no jelly in ice cream. Okay, but then don't buy it, Mavu. What is wrong with you? Just give me a minute. Oh, Ushna is eating a banana. It's a leftover banana for her. I have fixed her those. Oi, let me see one thing. How good they are. Okay, now good. And now Mavu needs to get into her seat. So all the kids should sit in their seats in Sweden. You cannot just put a child on a lap and go. So really have to fix them. Mavu piche hoke baitho beta. Yes, really have to fix them their seats. So now we are done with this pasanda meat also, and yeah, almost half of the day is gone. This is 16:26. So yeah, and my wife is working till 7 o'clock today, and when she will be back, then it's my you can see the smile, then it's my freedom time. Yeah, but I will be already so tired till then. But it was a good day. We went out, buy a few things for this trimming the beard, and then we bought some food here, and then I will go home now and cook something. And I'm planning to do some barbecue, grill the wings. So I have bought some chicken wings. Okay, now we have arrived. So hey, Simba and Malku. Ah, see, my two beautiful cats are resting. They're just enjoying themselves. Oh, I love you so much. They are so beautiful and they are so relaxing. They are brothers. So this is Simba and this is Simba and this is Malku. So we're gonna get over little cat now from the car. Look at her, how she has been eating banana. Okay guys, talk to you later.